Hello guys! In this video, we will show you two free AI tools that can combine two photos with a single prompt to give you your desired realistic picture. These tools help ensure character consistency and more. So let's start. 1. Go to this Hugging Face link. This is an open source QN image model that you can also deploy locally for faster, private generation. Here, go to this Hugging Face space. Here it is. It is free to use. Here are advanced settings you can try if you want, for quality, resolution, and guidance scales. Here, add the first image. Here, add the second image. I am writing a prompt to combine both images, and I want that girl holding the phone for a realistic composition. Click this Edit Image button now. Wait. Done, as you can see. Both images are combined as per the prompt, with character details kept consistent. You can download it like this. Two. Search for and go to Google AI Studio. Here we need to log in. I am already logged in. Select the Nano Banana model. Or you can go to Generate Image and select Nano Banana here. Here, you can turn incognito mode on or off for private generations. Add both images. Enter the prompt. I am entering the same prompt. Wait. See, the image is generated. You can download it like this. Moreover, you can chat and suggest more changes easily to refine character consistency. Like change the background. With a simple prompt. See? It is very simple. So that's all. Thanks for watching.